Welcome to our comprehensive exploration of music education, a field where educators are equipped for various teaching roles, from elementary teachers to ensemble directors at conservatories. Music education isn't just about teaching. It's also a vibrant area of research where scholars investigate effective teaching and learning strategies, sharing their findings through academic journals. At its core, music education spans various learning domains, integrating skill development, knowledge acquisition, and fostering an appreciation and sensitivity for music. Remarkably, music education intertwines with mathematical skills and understanding of different cultures, enhancing students' academic performance and standardized test scores like the ACT and SAT. Globally, musical education varies significantly due to diverse cultural, historical, and political influences, enriching students' understanding and acceptance of different musical traditions. Throughout the 20th century, innovative teaching methods like the Dalcroze method and the Kodali method have profoundly influenced music education, emphasizing movement and physical response to music. The Suzuki method compares music learning to language acquisition, focusing on creating a nurturing environment for learning through immersion. In the U.S., methods like the Gordon music learning theory and conversational solfège tailor music education to fit cultural contexts, enhancing students' musical literacy and appreciation. Schools worldwide integrate music education into their curriculums from an early age, recognizing its fundamental role in personal and cultural development. In Europe, primary students often learn instruments like keyboards or recorders, while secondary students might participate in diverse ensembles, from choirs to jazz bands. At the university level, music education extends into advanced degrees, preparing students for careers in teaching and academic research, with a focus on interdisciplinary studies. Beyond the West, global universities are expanding their music curricula to include non-Western music, reflecting a more inclusive understanding of the global music landscape. Music education also occurs outside the classroom in lifelong learning settings, where both amateur and professional musicians continue their musical journeys. Turning to instructional methodologies, teachers often draw from established educational methods developed in the latter half of the 20th century, each with its unique focus and approach. The Dalcroze method, developed by Émile Jacques Dalcroze, uses eurythmics to help students experience music through movement, emphasizing a kinesthetic learning style. Zoltan Kodaly's method promotes a sensory-rich music education, where rhythmic patterns and hand signs enhance students' musical understanding and literacy from an early age. The Orff Schulwerk, created by Carl Orff, encourages creative expression through improvisation and uses specially designed instruments to accommodate young learners. The Suzuki method, founded by Shinichi Suzuki in Japan, enriches students' lives by equating music education with character building, set in a supportive, immersive environment. Other influential methods, like Gordon's music learning theory, offer structured approaches to developing musicianship through concepts like audiation, where music is understood internally. As we explore these diverse educational methodologies, it becomes clear that music education is a dynamic and evolving field, adapting to cultural shifts and educational needs worldwide. Thank you for joining this journey through the multifaceted world of music education, highlighting its significance, methodologies, and global perspectives.